Hello everybody, it's Josiah. Just wanted to give you a quick room tour of 15495. It's an Excel aft suite on the Mardi Gras, so it's a big boy. It's one step down from the presidential, which they only have one presidential suite on this ship. This is in the very back of the ship. It's that little curved area on the corners. If you ever look at the Mardi Gras or the celebration or Jubilee, you'll see in the very back on the aft part of the ship, you'll see these red markings on the corners. Where those red markings are, that's where an Excel suite is. So there's some videos out here previewing this same room, but I'm going to go over both the pros and cons, because believe it or not, there is some cons. Not a whole lot, but there is some. So let me go ahead and get this thing going. So as you walk in, it's in the corner. So let me open the door here and kind of show you. So it's right in the far back corner of floor 15. So when you walk right in, you can see the bedroom, the living room area. My apologies. There's my beautiful wife. Say hello, wife.
Hello.
So the couch does, for those that are wondering, I pulled it out myself. The couch will turn out into a bed. So there is no Murphy beds in this suite, though. There is only that turnout bed here at the sofa. But look, big, nice area with a TV. It's got the hub TV stuff now that Carnival has. You can even flip down. Honey, if you can do that for me, flip to the cruise mapper. Just grab the remote. But you know, if you can watch regular TV in here, or you can get all the safety information, or even the cruise mapper if you're a nerd like us and like to see exactly where the cruise ship is and where it's going, what time, temperature, all that kind of good stuff. So tons of storage in this place. We didn't even use it all, and we went on a 7-day cruise, but tons and tons of storage right here. And then you got a nice fridge, nice mini fridge down here, big classic bench area and shelving there, more shelves down below, and then you've got a huge closet, and this is just the living room space. So nice big space here, just in this what you would call living room area, this entrance area. So right through here, I'll go ahead and take you through here. Here is the bedroom. Forgive it's a mess. It is our last sea day before we disembark. So got some baggage going on and all that. If you see the pillowcases, it was our anniversary cruise. Happy anniversary, dear. So it says shipmate, of course. We get those. They're going home with us. Nice big bathrooms, easy switches, touch on, touch off. Easy switches, plain towels, but huge bathroom area I can show you. So huge double sink area here with great side storage there, side storage here. So his and her side storage. You get storage underneath as well, and then a big one too with the trash cans, of course. Check out the shower though. Nice big waterfall shower. And yes, those are the jets that pump out water too on you as well. And then you also have a wand you can use. So it's great. Buttons control it. You just adjust the temperature with the dial, and then you push in on those buttons. The one on the far left sends out the side jets. The one in the middle is the waterfall shower. And the one on the far right there is your wand. They have little pictures for you as well. But you even got like a little place to set your foot. And of course, toiletry areas, a little hanging area. And then we got a clothesline as well. So big sink area.